Hi, I'm Ken with Firegear Outdoors. Today we're going to go over the features of the Firegear Thermocouple Safety Burner System that we like to call TMSI, as well as an overview of how to install that system into an SRW block enclosure. In this video, we will utilize several different products that Firegear offers, including the burner system, our stainless steel flex frame, a set of Paver vents, and our Paver kit control panel. Let's get started by going over what's in the box. So here we have Firegear's Paver vent kit, available in a 4-inch and a 6-inch. Let's do an inventory of the box. What you'll find is the installation instructions, the 3-piece vent kit, our lentils, and a hardware bag that includes the screws and spacers to assemble it. So the Firegear Paver vents were designed to give you 18 square inches of cross ventilation. So here we have Firegear's flex frame. Let's do an inventory of the box. What you're going to find is the installation instructions and our 304 stainless steel flex frame kit. Our flex frame kit was designed to support one of our pans or discs in your fire feature for easy service and maintenance. So here we have Firegear's TMSI system, which stands for Thermocouple Manual Safety Ignition. Let's do an inventory of the box. You're going to find our burner system with the spur burner attached, along with a hardware bag that includes the installation instructions, our stainless steel flex line, the safety valve mounted to its faceplate, along with the battery operated ignition system mounted to that faceplate. Also a bag that includes fittings, a bag that includes the hardware, and the battery for the igniter. So how does the thermocouple manual safety system work? Basically, there's a thermocouple that's sensing the flame as it burns. If that flame was to extinguish or go out, that thermocouple will cool down, shutting the gas flow off to the burner. Now let's install it into your fire pit. Let's install our brass orifice fitting onto the bottom of the burner. Second, let's install the fitting onto the bottom of our orifice. Next, let's install our non-whistle flex line to that fitting. On the bottom of your TMSI burner system, you'll find the 2 wires for the spark igniter, as well as the copper lead to the thermocouple. Run those 2 leads from the inside of your fire feature to the exterior. Next, it's time to install the inlet gas line feed to your TMSI safety valve. Then, take our non-whistle flex line from your burner system and connect that to your safety valve. Take the copper lead from the thermocouple and tighten that to the back of your safety pilot valve, not to over-tighten. Next, install the 2 wires from the spark igniter onto the back of the igniter module. It's time to install the faceplate of your TMSI safety valve and igniter system to the side of your fire feature. At this time, you can now lower your burner system onto your flex frame. So here we have Firegear's LP conversion kit. Let's do an inventory of the box. What you'll find is the installation instructions, the large brass LP orifice, along with the stainless steel extension fittings to attach to the bottom of your burner. Firegear offers a variety of different media to personalize your fire feature. We like to call it jewelry. We offer lava rock, lava stones, broken glass, ceramic, and steel log sets. Now it's time to test fire your TMSI system. Depress and hold in your spark igniter button, ensuring that sparking occurs. Turn your control knob for your safety valve to the on position. Then push it in. While keeping both depressed, wait until your system fires. Once the fire ignites, release your spark igniter button, but continue to keep your valve knob pushed in for an additional 30 seconds to make sure that your thermocouple is hot and the fire remains lit.